Many people are losing money while working with AdSense Arbitrage. And this is not because AdSense Arbitrage don't work in 2026. It's because there are three major mistakes you guys are repeating over and over again. And in this video, I'm going to be pinpointing those mistakes and telling you the right thing to do to get good results on your AdSense account. Over here, you can see this is my live dashboard. Let me reload this. On the screen over here, you can see what I've generated so far with this AdSense account this month. We have accumulated roughly $3,500 on this account. And if you check over here, you can see that today so far, there's still traffic coming in and we're still pushing in more. This particular AdSense account, I dropped a video on it in my last video on this channel, where this account received payment on the 21st of last month. So you can go over there and check it. Let me still show you. Okay, so you can see over here that it received payments on the 21st, and this traffic on this site was fully generated with arbitrage. And you can also see what's on the balance. Everything here is fully arbitrage traffic. So this is to show you the arbitrage method still works in 2026, but there are just three major things you're losing out on. Now, first thing you need to keep in mind is while working with AdSense arbitrage, remove everything low traffic. Anything low traffic, remove it, because at the end goal, you're still going to lose that account. Either add limit or suspension, or you still get banned. You need to focus on traffic from tier 1 countries. The reason to focus on these tier 1 countries is also to increase your RPM. If your RPM of your niche is low, all your traffic needs to come from tier 1 countries. Secondly, you need to monitor your CTR very, very well. Now, earlier this morning, this CTR was spiking up to like 11%, 11% on this CTR. And how we reduced this CTR was because of the automation method I work with. If you have been on this channel for a while, you notice that I work with an automation method. And the purpose of this automation method in this arbitrage system is to help us regulate our CTR. Now, you know that the standard is for the CTR not to pass 3%, because if it pass 3%, that account is definitely going to get ad limits that day or the next day. So the reason we make use of this arbitrage is whenever the CTR, the major reason we make use of this automation is whenever the CTR is high, you use the automation method to bring it down. Now, lastly, there's one more thing I need you guys to pay attention to, because this is very, very important. You need to put it in mind while working on AdSense arbitrage. Don't run all your traffic on one platform. Majority of you focus on Facebook, and if Facebook change any policy, it's going to affect your entire operation. So what you need to do is you diversify your traffic from different sources. Now, normally I work with Taboola ads. I will also work with Outbrains. These are the two major platforms I use for my AdSense arbitrage. Most people find Facebook good, but I've had a lot of issues with Facebook in the past. So these two platforms I mentioned are the platforms I focus on. Okay, so now you need to focus on these three things I mentioned in this video: your CTR, your ROPM, and the traffic source, where your traffic is coming from. And also, don't run traffic only on one platform. Spread it across different platforms. Okay. And secondly, if you're interested in learning this same method I explained over here, you want to know the physical aspect of it, the theoretical aspect of it, how it works, you check the link in the description box, reach out to me. And also, if you have a good account that has a lot of payment history in the past and you're interested in something like partnership, you can also check that link in the description box to reach out to me and we'll communicate. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to keep dropping more updates on what works in 2026. See you guys in the next video.